Jim with Timberline Inspections here, and today wanted to show you something that may appear to be a minor issue, but really is dangerous. Very common, we see improper type screws used to fasten a panel cover. Sharp-ended screws like this are not allowed. I don't know if I get this to focus, but you see this is just a sheet metal screw or wood screw has a sharp pointy end. And you can see some of the wires that have been added. This is a finished basement, and they've added circuit wires. This is for 220 because they're two hot wires here actually. But anyway, the wires come very close to where the screw that holds the panel cover in, and so this screw could come in here and pierce the insulation very easily. And I've had this actually happen to me before, taking off a panel where a screw in contact finally wore through and it arced, and it didn't shock me very bad, but it sure got my attention. But you can see the danger of why we call out things like sharp screws where blunt-ended screws should be a blunt-ended screw, and that way if it does touch something, it just presses against it. Okay, for this other panel in this home, they did have the proper type screws. As you can see, they have a blunt end so that if they touch a wire or something, they'll just press against it without damaging it. So this is what we should have. So if you and there are different thread types. This is kind of a fine thread, but you can find the type that's correct for your box. But please use this instead of a sharp-ended screw.